everybody, this is Daily Math number 33. All right, solve for x if 9 over 20 is equal to 63 over x. So what we can do here is we can do some cross multiplication. So we're going to do 63 times 20 first. So when we do that, zeros for this first row, 0 is a placeholder. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 6 is 12. So we get 1,260 is equal to 9 times x, which is 9x. Now we want to go ahead and we want to isolate the variable, which means that we get the 9 away from the x here. We divide the 9 away, divide the 9 away. So now we have x is equal to whatever 1,260 divided by 9 is. So let's go ahead and do that. 9 doesn't go into 1, but it does go into 12. 9 goes into 12 one time. 1 times 9 is 9. Then we do 9, 10, 11, 12, so we get 3 when we subtract, and we bring down the 6. 9 goes into 36 4 times. 4 times 9 is exactly 36. We get 0, and we bring down the last 0, so we put a 0 up here. All right, so x is equal to 140. Done. All right, number 2, find the value of 1/5 to the third power. So this is 1/5 times 1/5 times 1/5. The top part's easy. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 5 is 25. And we've got to figure out what's 25 times 5. So we can come over here and do that. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2. So we get 1 over 125 as our answer. Alrighty. The last one, find the area of the trapezoid. So for this one here, what you want to do is you want to separate the trapezoid into 3 different shapes. That's how you're really going to be most successful. I know how to find the shape of a triangle, the area of a triangle, and I know how to find the area of a rectangle, and I see 2 triangles, one and then there's the second one, and a rectangle. So I know I can do this. So for the area of a triangle, I'm going to use 1/2 base times height, okay? Or base times height divided by 2. Both of these would work, right? So I'm going to go ahead and find the area of this first triangle here. The base is 2 and the height is 4. So I'm going to do 2 times 4 divided by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the area of this triangle here is 4 centimeters squared, okay? For this one here, I notice that if this is 4 over here, this length here, then this length is also going to be 4 centimeters. So these 2 triangles are equal to each other, they're the same. So they're going to have the same area. So this one is also going to be 4 centimeters squared for the area. Now for the inside part here, this rectangle here, this is a 9, see from here to here, by 4, okay? When I find the area of a rectangle or a square, I just do base times height. So the base here is going to be 9, and the height is going to be 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. So this area inside here is going to be 36 centimeters squared. Now that I'm done with all of that, I'm just going to go ahead and add up all 3 of these. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 36 plus 8 is going to go ahead and give me 44 centimeters squared. So our final answer, the area of the entire trapezoid, is going to be 44 centimeters squared. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.